Delivering Customer Service Excellence Part 1. Good customer service is the lifeline of any business. The customer's perception is your reality. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. Satisfied customers are the best source of advertisement. Customers may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Customer service is not a department, it's everyone's job. Customer service is not a cost, it's an investment. The key is to set realistic customer expectations and then not to just meet them, but to exceed them, preferably in unexpected and helpful ways. Customers don't expect you to be perfect. They do expect you to fix things when they go wrong. Customer service is the new marketing. Every contact we have with a customer influences whether or not they'll come back. We have to be great every time or we'll lose them. The goal as a company is to have customer service that is not just the best, but legendary. Customers don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. The customer experience is the next competitive battleground. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. There is a big difference between a satisfied customer and a loyal customer. In the world of internet customer service, it's important to remember your competitor is only one mouse click away. Service, in short, is not what you do, but who you are. Your customer doesn't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Customer service is not a department, it's an attitude. The more you engage with customers, the clearer things become and the easier it is to determine what you should be doing. Your customer service should not be a department, it should be a philosophy. In business, you get what you want by giving other people what they want. Do what you do so well that they will want to see it again and bring their friends. Your customers are your brand ambassadors. Customer service is about making a connection. Treat every customer as if they sign your paycheck, because they do. Quality in a service or product is not what you put into it. It is what the client or customer gets out of it. Customers will never love a company until the employees love it first. Customer service is the new marketing. The magic formula that successful businesses have discovered is to treat customers like guests and employees like people. The purpose of a business is to create a customer who creates customers. Service, service, service. It's not a slogan, it's a promise. Customer service is not a buzzword. It's a culture. Customer satisfaction is worthless. Customer loyalty is priceless. The customer experience is not a department, it's everyone's responsibility. A customer is the most important visitor on our premises. They are not dependent on us. We are dependent on them. The best customer service is if the customer doesn't need to call you, doesn't need to talk to you. It just works. One customer well taken care of could be more valuable than $10,000 worth of advertising. Customer service represents the heart of a brand in the hearts of its customers. Customer service should not be a department, it should be the entire company. Make a customer, not a sale. Customer service is not a choice, it's a responsibility. Exceed your customers' expectations. If you do, they'll come back over and over. Give them what they want and a little more. The customer experience is the next competitive battleground. The greatest advertising is done by satisfied customers. Customers are looking for an experience, not just a product or service. The best customer service is if the customer doesn't need to call you, doesn't need to talk to you. It just works. The customer's perception is your reality. Service, in short, is not what you do, but who you are. Remember, Providing excellent customer service is key to building strong relationships with your customers and fostering loyalty.